Hey guys, how are you? I want to eat my lunch with you. I'm in my garage. I did go to the playground, the park, but there was a lot of children there. Their bikes were in the way and I couldn't get to the picnic tables. And I'm not about to ask and bother them. You know, I don't want to bother them and I don't want them to be like, I feel a little weird eating my meal in front of them like that. But maybe they would understand. Hey, let me put you over here. Is that okay? Oops. Here we go. Oh, let me get this first. Anyways, let me situate myself. Brought my water and everything. All right. We're in my garage. Very personal. It's very personal. This is my garage. Got my water because we're such skinny queens. Gonna put it up there. Jesus, take the wheel. Don't let any spiders get into my body and the eggs. Jesus, take the wheel. Yeah. What in the world is wrong with my phone? Why it won't want to cooperate with my booty hole? Yeah. Okay, it's better. It's fine. It's fine. I love everybody very much. So I hope you guys are doing good. Please let me know how you're doing, what you're doing. Okay. Yeah. And then this is kind of like a avocado ranch. Ooh, that's a nice challenge, but I know I'd fail. You know? So. Let's see. I'm not that great with my mouth, believe it or not. Ah, poopy. Damn it. I think that was all that was in here. I hope I didn't. I think that was it. Anyways, what you guys up to? What you guys doing? Tell me how your day's going so far. It's beautiful out. I am gonna do some vlogging and everything. So yes. I'm a ranch kind of girl, but I don't think I had enough ranch. Don't go. So, yeah. I'm recording. Want to come out? Okay. She thought I was smoking. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. I'm already feeling 90 to 80, between 80 and 90% better. No, I can't fuck that up again. I can't fuck that up again. Sorry for my language. Sorry, YouTube. They are getting a little stricter. They are. Mm. Mm. Oh, God. She was asking me if I was smoking. No, no, I'm not. If I were to continue to smoke, I wouldn't deserve her support. She would have to stop supporting me, because that's just a slap in the face, you know? I don't want to keep doing that. I didn't realize that's what I was doing before either. Slapping her in the face, basically, with all the help she's been giving me. My mom is a good mom. She is. It's like I slapped Jesus in the face. I mean, he's healing me. If I just cooperate with him, he is helping me. He just can't do it all himself. I mean, he could, but he's gonna need my effort, my effort to help him help me, right? And if I continue to smoke, that's like slapping his ass in the face. Sorry, Lord Jesus, that I did that multiple times. I've done that multiple times throughout my life. Giving him like a slap in the face, and I didn't mean to do that. I'm not a good person. Nope. I need more transformation. Definitely. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me get my water. I have another bottle of I have two. Because you know me. You drink that water. So, I was thinking something. If I was a billionaire, you know what I would do? I'd buy empty lots of land, right? Buy tons of tiny houses. They're like basically like sheds or barns, not barns, like shed barns, whatever. But you can build them into houses. You know, little tiny houses. You've heard of them. They're called tiny homes. And plant them on the land. And make them livable, 100% livable, just for the homeless. That's it. And then buy them some chicken coops for chickens, for the meat and the eggs. And build them a garden, give them the seeds and everything and the fixins to make a vegetable and fruit garden. And let them be a good community that they can help each other. People need to work together in order to get what they need. You know, don't be individualistic. You know, let's be a corporate entity together. What do you think? That's what I would do. Just saying. But I know that's just a dream. That's just a dream. That's a dream. Just a dream. But it's a good one. I like communities. I like corporate communities, you know? But that's just me. That's just me. But I would also like a husband to help me out. Because with my ADD, I drive myself crazy. I don't know if I could pull it off by myself. That was so good. Let's not litter, right? Trash. Trash is over here. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. All right. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Sunday. And I hope you're enjoying it. You deserve it. Relax, kick back, and enjoy yourself, okay? Don't ignore yourself. Enjoy your life. Don't neglect yourself. You deserve the best, guys. So, okay. I'm gonna go now. I love you all very much. May the Lord be with your spirit.